Laws of exponents. First rule, any number or any variable raised to power 1 is basically that same term. Second rule, any term raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Third rule, if base is same, multiplication is there, rest to quantities are different, then base will remain same and rest to quantity will be added. Fourth rule, if base is same, division is there, rest to quantities are different, base will remain same, rest to quantity will be subtracted. Fifth rule, x raised to m raised to n is basically x raised to m times n. We multiply that. Sixth rule, if bracket contains two terms, say x times y, raised to power is m, then both term will get this power, that is x raised to m times y raised to n. Seventh rule, if bracket quantity contains two terms, division is there, same rule, x raised to m divide y raised to m. Eighth rule, if x raised to minus 1, negative power, always make it positive by bringing it down, so x raised to 1. Similarly, if x raised to minus m, then it becomes as 1 over x raised to m. So these are the rules for the exponents. Now we will move exponent to logarithmic. For example, if I am writing say 2 raised to 0, I will get 1. 2 raised to 1, I will get 2. 2 raised to 2, I will get 4. 2 raised to 3, I will get 8, and so on. I know the table of 2, that is why I got these values. What is the similarity? You can see base is same, 2, 2, 2. I'm changing the quantity of the raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is changing 1, 2, 4, 8. So if I want to sum up this, I will keep base same. The quantity which is changing is called as a x, which is variable. Obviously the quantity which is changing is also called as a variable, say y. I know the table of 2, so I can say that 2 raised to whatever that, I will get the value. But what if the base is not 2? If it is a complicated number, then that time the simple rule will be not applicable. You have to apply the logarithmic rule. So the basic exponential to logarithmic rule is, if a raised to x is equal to y, then x which we want to find, x is equal to, other side will get a log, that is log of y, and whose raised to power is this, a goes in the base. Reverse way, we can think about, if we have a logarithmic function and we want to convert in terms of exponential term, then base goes on the other side like a, other side becomes a raised to, that is a raised to x, log is cancelled and you will get y. So this is the first formula of exponential to logarithmic and logarithmic to exponential. Second, log of a raised to n, log of any number and that has a raised to power say n, that becomes n log a. That means raised to power comes in a multiplication. You can go in the reverse way also. If you have n log a, then you can write as log of a raised to n. Third rule. Log of a plus log of b is log common a times b. Rule is that if the log terms are there, their bases are same, coefficients are same, middle sign is plus, log will remain as it is, base will remain as it is, and they get multiplied. That means a times b. Log of a minus log of b, log common a over b. Log of 1 to the base of any number is always equal to 0. If we apply the same rule of logarithmic to exponential, if we convert this into an exponential, base goes on the other side becomes a raised to, log is removed and left is 1. You know that anything raised to 0 is 1. So a raised to 0 is 1. So log of 1 to the base of a is basically 0. Reverse way. Log of a to the base of a is always equal to 1. That means if you are taking a log of any quantity and that same quantity is in the base, the answer is 1. If I'll apply the exponential, base goes on the other side becomes a raised to, log is removed and left is what? A. Reverse way, same applicable. Log of a to the base of e is always considered as ln of a. If they say ln of something, so ln means log to the base e. And log of a is basically log of a to the base of 10. If no base is written log of a, then you assume that the base is 10. Next rule. Change of base. If you have log of a to the base of say b, if I want to change the base, I will first make a division. I will write down log here, log here. This goes in the numerator, base goes in the denominator. Log a over log b with the common base is c. This is called as a change of base rule. Last, a raised to log of b, but this log has a base say a, that means this term and this term is same, then the answer is b. Therefore, if your a is say e, raised to power is ln of b, basically e raised to log of b to the base of e, the answer is still b. So e raised to ln b is basically b, or a raised to log of b to the base a is also considered as a b. So these are the rules of exponential to logarithmic and laws of exponents. Thank you.